Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make Kesar Milkshake. Start by warming 2 cups of full-fat milk gently in a saucepan, then add a pinch of saffron and let it steep. While the milk cools slightly, prepare 1 cup of chilled ice cream and a tablespoon of sugar or condensed milk. Blend everything until smooth and frothy, then pour into chilled glasses and garnish with crushed pistachios and a few saffron strands. Warm and cozy, this step-by-step will help you get a silky Kesar milkshake every time. Combine 2 cups of milk, 1 cup vanilla or Kesar ice cream, saffron soaked in a tablespoon of warm milk, and a tablespoon of sugar or 2 tablespoons condensed milk in a blender. Pulse on high for about 30 to 45 seconds until smooth. Taste and adjust sweetness, then pour into chilled glasses and top with pistachios. Here are friendly tips to personalize your Kesar milkshake and keep it simple. Swap full-fat milk for almond milk for a lighter option, or add 2 tablespoons of thick cream for extra richness. Toss in a pinch of cardamom powder or a few soaked pistachios for an aromatic lift. If you prefer a thicker shake, use more ice cream or less milk, and remember to serve immediately for the best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.